and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $4.66 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 38.12% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $6.44 and $25.51 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The Sellas Life Sciences Group Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.94. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $4.77. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence-divergence MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 10, 2020, and so far it has fallen -64.27%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. By special signal notification Golden Star. The stock had a Golden Star signal on Friday, November 13, 2020 in the short-term chart. Golden Star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Support, risk and stop loss. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. $6.31, $6.39. The stock may move very much during a day volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 41 cents between high and low, or 6.70%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.03%. Our recommended stop loss, $5.94 minus 5.92%. The stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 10 days ago. Is Sellas Life Sciences Group Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Sellas Life Sciences Group Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score, 1.934. Predicted opening price for Sellas Life Sciences Group Incorporated of Monday, December 28, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 28, 2020. Current price $6.32.